Our poor sinks take a lot of abuse. We cram all kinds of crap down the drain. We're pushing it down through the disposal, thinking out of sight, out of mind. The problem with that scenario is that those particles get all crunched up inside those drains. And then, the night that you're having everybody over, it backs up. I want to share with you something I discovered when my plumber was on vacation. I had a clog in my kitchen sink, and I think he was like deep sea fishing. I don't know where the guy was, but he was not available, and I had a crisis on my hands. So I tried to think through what is something I can do to get the clog out of my drain without creating a lot of damage. You can snake it, which I don't like because it's so messy and nasty. Also, if the clog is further down in the line, you can't get a snake to it, especially through your kitchen sink. You can pour chemicals down in there, but I don't like that option because it can really mess up older pipes. Well, what I did in that situation to get rid of the clog is I boiled as much hot water as pans as I have in my house. That's a lot of water. I would take that boiling hot water and pour it down into the sink drain and put a little Dawn detergent in there behind it. I'm not sure there's anything more satisfying than whenever the drain goes whoosh. All of a sudden it's draining well again. So the thought occurred to me, why not do this on a regular basis? It's amazing how well things will work if we take care of them. Kind of like me. When I do my yoga and my stretches, my back feels awesome. But when I don't do that, and I go to work, and folks, I'm walking on roofs and crawling under houses for a living, and if I'm not stretching and exercising, I feel like shit at the end of the day. But if I stay on top of it, if I stretch and do my yoga and walk the dogs on a regular basis, those tasks are not hard for me. Same thing with maintenance around your house. You probably don't think about your plumbing very much. Don't worry, most folks don't. Out of sight, out of mind. But a few simple things can keep you from having a maintenance issue, especially on the night when you got a lot of friends coming over for dinner. So what I'm going to do is I've got all my pots back over here on the range, and I'm going to fire that thing up and boil 4 large pots of water. And then I'm going to take that water and put it down my sink. So it occurred to me that really what we're doing is we're giving our pipes a bath. I don't know about you, I feel so much better after a bath. So if you haven't given your pipes a bath lately, think about it. Extend the life of your pipes. These are simple things that you can do to make sure you don't have a crisis. Of course, some folks really enjoy a crisis, so if that's your thing, just don't ever do this. Thanks so much for watching. If you like the video, subscribe. Thanks so much.